Hi, it's Claire from Couture. Let me show you how to knit the loop stitch. I use this loop stitch when I'm making the gonks beard and also in a few other patterns from Couture. So, at a point where you are asked to make a loop stitch, place your right hand needle through the left, just as if you were going to knit. Wrap the yarn around in between the needle, bringing it to the front, and then wrap that yarn around your thumb. Place the yarn back through the needle, and so you've now got your yarn at the back, the loop at the front. At this point I just tend to move it over to my other thumb. Now to or finger. Now to complete this stitch we simply knit into the back of the stitch, and that means that you just take your right hand needle through the back of the stitch and just yarn around the needle, find the new stitch, and then you can pull this stitch off the end of the left hand needle. Now you'll notice that from the one stitch we've now created two stitches, and to complete the loop stitch we now take the second stitch over the first, there we go, and off the end of the needle, and that locks your stitch in place. Now, let me just show you this again because I'm going to show you how to make different lengths of loops. Okay, so we put our needle through and then we yarn around the needle, bringing the yarn to the front and around your thumb and back through the two needles. So at this point we can make the loop really short by pulling on the working yarn, like so, or we can make it really long, like that. It's really up to you. So for example, when I'm making the gonks beard, I like to make them really long. Other people will prefer to make them shorter. So we've taken the yarn around the thumb and the working yarn is now back behind the work, and then to finish this stitch we simply knit into the back of the stitch, find the new stitch, like so. From that one stitch we have now made two stitches that's on our right hand needle, and we're simply going to take the one furthest away from the tip of the needle over the first one and dropping it off the end of the needle to secure the stitch in place. And that is the loop stitch. Hope that's helpful. Have a great day. Please subscribe down below and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye bye.